Hey guys, I'm back here with the Losi 8 Truggy, and some of you guys remember from the feature video, whenever I did an in-depth look at this thing, you may notice that, or actually mentioned in the video, that tie rod right there is actually broken. It's just being held by some Gorilla Glue. It's held up for a little bit, but I knew it wouldn't be lasting for long, so, and I finally got some new tie rods, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it in this video and then take it for a blast. And right now it's night, so I really can't take it for a blast, but we're going to fix it regardless. And there's still this crap on here, so hopefully I can get that off as well. But anyway, let's actually open up the package. Alright guys, here's the package. Can't really hold the package at the same time, so I'm just going to cut it open enough to where I can get the pieces out. There we go. That's good enough. I Amazon Prime this, and then my local hobby shop didn't actually have these. Here they are, guys. Set these down here, get this out of the way. Here they are, guys. How many are in here? There's actually 6. For some reason, the Amazon listing told me that there's only going to be 4, but that's actually pretty cool that there's 6. I'm going to stick with the fixed ones, guys, because I think they're actually better in my opinion, because I honestly don't have any reason to adjust my camber. I like it all the same as it is. I don't want to F with it. I've kind of, they might be better, but at least these are cheaper, I'm not sure how well these are going to hold up, but I've heard, but on my buggy they held up for a long time before I replaced them with actual turnbuckle links. So yeah, so let's get these things open. Alright guys, so I got my camera set up on my stand thing, but just get these open. Usually what I do if I only need to get one piece of the package, I just snip like a little piece of it off and then just slide one out. So here it is, guys. These things are actually really durable. It just so happened, I don't know, I guess I had like a really bad crash. It wasn't from racing actually, it was just from bashing, and I really didn't crash it too hard out there, but anything can break at any time, so I'm gonna put that with all my other parts. So let's get this going, shall we? I'm actually gonna speed it up here so you guys can kind of see how I do this, but I just kind of like it that way. Alright guys, so I just fixed it up and I'm actually going to show you guys what it looks like now. So guys, right here is the old one. As you can see, I did an okay job on it, to be completely honest. I mean, I was waiting for these tie rods to come in and I just wanted to use it one day, so I just glued it. It took a while for that thing to dry. As you guys can see now, it's all better. And we have 4, or actually we have 5 more in. Oops, they're actually sliding out, but we have 5. It looks there's 4 in here actually, but there's actually 5 that just fell on the floor. But we have 5 of these turnbuckle links. They're actually all the same, even for the camber. They're actually all the same, so that's pretty cool. So if any other one goes out, I'll have those on hand. So that's pretty nice. I'm actually gonna pick the one up. Yeah, and they look like new. Pretty nice. I'm pretty sure that they're pretty flexible. They just, I don't know, I guess mine just gave out or something. But anyway, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you guys me at my little bash secret testing location and show you guys what that looks like. Alright guys, so we're out here at my secret test location, so to speak. It's kind of where I do a lot of my bashing around here. And today we have the Truggy, obviously. It's looking pretty nice. It's running 4S LiPo. I'm not going to run 6S in this thing because it's ridiculously fast on 4, even with that low gearing. As you guys can see, the tie rod is now replaced. Don't know if you guys can see that well, but it's pretty nice. I've crashed a few times right here just now actually, and I just started filming, so Alright, let's give this thing a rip now. Now I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like running on the road at full speed. So I'm going to do a nice gradual run up here, so let's try that. I think this battery is actually kind of dead from last time I used it. I'm not really too sure how much, but that's generally how fast it really is. It's not, I don't actually know how fast it is flat out like this, but as you guys can probably see from there, it's very fast. You know, there's a ton of potential with this Truggy. I still need to get parts for my Team Losi racing shocks, but yeah. Also guys, this is also going to be my testing location for my my rock crawler. What I'm planning on doing is, and the reason why I wanted a crawler as well is because I kind of wanted an area to do just some crawling, some relaxing stuff. You know, I don't have to go like 70 miles an hour down this like strip of grass and stuff. So there's a ton of rocks over there. I'm not really sure if you guys can see that, but there's a ton of rocks down there, and I'm wondering if I can take it down there one day. So yeah, that's all we got for now, guys. If you do like, see you guys next time. Bye.